Do you wonder why your Roborock S7 gets stuck after only turning on for 15 minutes? Don't panic. We'll solve your robot vacuum problem. Let's check how we can help. We assisted a customer with their Roborock S7 that was acting strangely, which started working perfectly, but then stalled and stayed in one place after 15 minutes. When we tried to start the robot, it turned on but could not move, and the LiDAR could not spin either. After further investigation, we found that the problem was a faulty LiDAR and recommended replacing it. Behold, let's peek inside this robot. See how the robot vacuum is covered with dirt on several sides. So we recommend deep cleaning service to restore its performance. Then we start service and repair after the customer approves. Before returning the robot to the customer, we conduct unit testing. Toda, it is no longer just a decoration. Robot vacuum works perfectly. If you've got a robot vacuum problem, let us be your solution.